Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is friend Shinobi, and in today's video we're gonna check out the Galaxy Buds Live, which I recently purchased from Amazon for about 4,500 rupees. And as you can see, this is the box. It's a typical Samsung earbud box with the device at the front and a few details at the back. So we can expect about 21 hours of total battery backup from this particular earbud along with the case, and from the earbuds itself you can get around 6 hours. So that's pretty nice. And these earbuds do come with an interesting design, and it also comes with ANC. Plus these are generally called the Galaxy Beans because they look like kidney beans, so that's one thing to note. And yeah, let's just quickly open it up. There are two seals on the top and bottom. We're gonna tear the seals, cut the seals, and then open up the box. Alright, so after opening the box, on the lid there is a pamphlet inside which we'll get the documentations, the warranty card, and the quick start guide. And apart from this, we get the earbuds wrapped in some kind of wrapper. And apart from this, we do get a little box inside which we will find the USB Type-C cable and a few extra earbuds or ear tips, wing tips. So yeah, that's pretty much it that you get inside the box. So let's quickly just unwrap everything and let's check out the Galaxy Buds Live themselves. So first impressions, the case is like shiny, which I don't really like because it gets really fingerprinty and smudgy pretty quickly, and the earbuds are also shiny, the top at least, and yeah, it's gonna look really messy after a few hours of use. So overall, I like the design of these earbuds, and I think they will be really comfortable to use in the ear. And yeah, it's a pretty unique design. They are open ear design, they are not in-ear designs, and the case is pretty much like I think it's the same case. At least the casing is the same as the Galaxy Buds Pro. So yeah, and this case does have wireless charging, and it has a USB Type-C port to charge it, so that's pretty nice. And you get an LED light inside and an LED light outside to indicate the battery life of the buds and the case. And I got this in this black color, which is really cool. Now in order to set this up, if you don't have a Samsung phone, so yeah, in order to use this particular earbud, you need to download the Galaxy Wearable app or the Galaxy Buds app. So once you have downloaded it, and like Wearable app and the Galaxy Buds manager, you just need to open the app. Once you have opened the app, give it the necessary permissions, and after that just open the lid on your Buds Live with the buds inside the case, and it will show up inside the app. Now just tap on it and it will start pairing. Give it whatever permissions it needs, and it will just pair with your phone, which is pretty nice. And yeah, it is downloading the Buds Live plugin, which is cool. Now after giving it all the necessary permissions, it will show you how to wear your earbuds correctly, so just do it. And yeah, once you are finished with the tutorial, you'll be set, and it will show you all the touch controls. So basically there are quite a few touch controls on the earbuds. So it's a single tap to play or pause the track, double tap to go to the next track, triple tap to go to the previous track, and there's also a touch and hold functionality which can be customized. By default it will open up Bixby, but yeah, you can just change it to anything else. I have changed it to control the volume, which is pretty nice. Now after all the tutorials are finished, check if there are any firmware updates or not, and just update the earbuds. And then you can go to the touch controls option to change the touch control options, and there are a lot of other options. So from the equalizer settings, I've changed it to dynamic, and you can also ask it to read your notifications, which is pretty cool. And there's the seamless earbud connection between Samsung devices and Windows devices, which is pretty nice. And overall the app is really clean. It has a lot of features. You do have the ANC option, so you can either turn it on, turn it off, but you don't have anything else, because even with the ANC on, it is kind of an ambient mode going on, so that's there. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the unboxing and setup of the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live. They are really comfortable. I've worn them for quite a few hours and they feel really nice in your ear. So yeah, if you like this particular video, then don't forget to hit the like button and definitely subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos like this. With that said, I'm your friend Shinobi, and I'm signing out. Peace.